Hi there and welcome to my sewing room. Today I have for sale a Centennial Singer 221K sewing machine. Her number is EG435491. She was made between March 29th 1951 and May 16th 1951. These sewing machines were made in batches, so you'll find that there's maybe another 5,000 machines that were made at the same time with the same batch number, so they don't have individual batch numbers on them. She was made at the Kilbowie factory in Clydebank in Scotland. She has the Celtic knots design, which is these parts, and she also has the scroll design faceplate, which is typical for this machine. On the front she has the famous Singer sewing machine centenary badge. It says a century of sewing service, 1851 to 1951, and it has the Singer manufacturing emblem on the front. She sews like a dream, which is what you want for a sewing machine. Turn the light on. I'm just going to sew this piece of sample fabric for you. It's a quilt damage with white cotton, a piece of 100% cotton batting and white cotton on the top. So the first stitch to lock down, and then off we go. One of the selling points for Singer was that they made these machines so that you could watch the television or listen to your radio while you sewed, because they're very quiet machines and they're great for doing quilting. Now, I won't show you me sewing half a dozen pieces of material with leather and all the rest of it in it, because I don't misuse my sewing machines or abuse them. This sewing machine, I use it for quilting and that's it. If you wanted a heavier duty machine, I will be having another auction for one of my heavy duty 185 machines, because as I say, I'm selling my machine collection off. So here we go again. Oops. These are the stitches. I've sewn black on white so that you can see them quite clearly. That's it. This is a completely original sewing machine. All parts on it are original. However, it does have one fault. On the sewing bed it has 3 small marks on it. If you can see those there. Now, I could have renovated them myself, but then it would mean that it's a renovated machine, and as I say, all the parts in this machine are absolutely original. I'll just show you the workings of this machine. It's the bobbin casing. As you can see, it's all fresh and nice. I'll take the scroll plate off so that you can see the inside. Take the bobbin out first, but you can see the inside. And again, you can see the parts all working. And next I'll show you underneath the sewing machine. Okay, so this is the back of the sewing machine. She has a 230 to 250 volt motor, which means that she's only suitable for British electricity supplies. If you're living in America or Canada or somewhere else, do check your electricity supply and make sure that you have the correct transformer. This is her serial number here, which reads EG435491, and I'll just show you underneath the sewing machine itself. Here you are. It's in beautiful condition. This sewing machine was serviced by Tom Wilson, who's one of only 3 Singer approved engineers in Scotland. I had 2 machines serviced at the same time, so you'll get a copy of this one because it has both machine serial numbers on it, but as you can see, that's the serial number for this one. As you can see, it cost me £30 for each machine because they were in perfect condition when Tom looked at them, as are all my machines. I like to keep them in good running order. She also has a PAT testing certificate, which is very important for any electrical goods, and she has a PAT service sticker on her base, and she was tested on the 2nd of April 2013, so she was tested this month. She comes with all her original parts and attachments. These are the attachments. So there's a large screwdriver, small screwdriver, adjustable hammer, a binder, a gatherer, a quilter, hammer, cloth guidance screw, and this model comes with the ruffler. All these parts are made by Simco, which is the part of the Singer Sewing Manufacturing Company. She has an oil can, a small oil can, and she comes with the all-important Singer lubricant. This is an original box, but you know, I wouldn't suggest that you would use this, although you still could. It's probably perfectly alright. But Singer do lubricants, still manufacture lubricants for these machines, and it's important that they're not only oiled, but that they have the lubricant with them. She has the original Singer sewing machine accessories box and the original 221K instruction manual with her. She also has her carry case, which is different from some of the other ones in that it has this lid attachment rather than the piece that sits in, and the box itself is of course original to the sewing machine and is in pretty good condition for its age, and it comes with one key. Whoops. So all in all, it's a wonderful sewing machine, perfect for quilting and for all your sewing needs basically. So thank you very much for looking at the video, and happy bidding.